We are Team Le Confidential and our application is a drawing board. I will tell you the problem we are intending to solve with this application. School students often have difficulty in visualizing and understanding various basic concepts of geometry. Understanding properties of 2D and 3D geometrical figures like circle, triangle, quadrilaterals, sphere, cone, cylinder, and cube prove to be challenging to many students. Our software aims at enabling such students to develop a liking for geometry through the use of interactive graphical user interface. What you currently see is our welcome page, and it is designed to give you the feel of studying geometry at your own desk. To proceed to the main application, you just need to click on the open book. This is the main page of our application. As you can see, the three modules of our software are shown here. Under 2D geometry, we cover triangle, circle and quadrilateral. Under 3D geometry, we cover cube, cone, sphere and cylinder. The formula sheet gives a list of formulas for all the properties of the figures. Let us see them one by one. On clicking on 2D geometry, you can see the list of three figures, the triangle, quadrilateral and circle. Let's start off with the triangle. This page is designed to look like a blackboard. The graph on the left can be used by students to draw the triangle. There are three ways to draw the triangle. Click anywhere on the graph to give you the first point. The coordinates of that point are shown on the screen. As you move the mouse, the coordinates are also shown down in the status bar. You can create the triangle by clicking on points on the graph. This is how you create a triangle. The properties on the right can be clicked. When you click on distance, it gives the distance between the points on the triangle. Perimeter gives the perimeter of the triangle. Show area gives the area of the triangle. Centroids gives the coordinates of the centroids. Equations give the equations of the three lines of the triangle. Altitudes give the altitudes, angle bisectors the angle bisectors, and length bisectors give the median. If you make a mistake, you can erase a point by clicking on this duster here. Now we'll go through the other ways of constructing the triangle. Next points can be constructed using two options. First is entering the length and the angle between it. Suppose we enter the length as 200 and the angle between it as 60 and click on submit, we get the following triangle. The properties of these triangles are also shown likewise. Third way is to click the coordinate of the next point. We can do this by, suppose we take the point like 200 and 300 and click on submit, we get the following triangle. Properties of these triangles are also shown likewise. We then click on back to go back to the main page. Now let's see the quadrilateral. The quadrilateral can be drawn in the same way as a triangle. The next point of the quadrilateral can be drawn by using function where you enter the coordinates. Suppose we enter 200 and 300 again. You can enter the other points by simply clicking on the screen. This gives you your quadrilateral. Show distance gives the distance within the sides of the quadrilateral. Perimeter gives the perimeter. Area gives the area of the quadrilateral. Diagonals give the diagonals and also the point of intersection of the diagonals. Equations give the equations of the four sides of the quadrilateral. Click on back to go back to the main page. Now we'll see the circle. There are three ways to draw a circle. First is as follows. Provide the coordinates of the center of the circle and also the radius of the circle. This gives you the circle. Show area gives the area of the circle and circumference gives the circumference. Another way of drawing the circle is clicking on points on the graph. First point is the center and the second point is a point on the radius. The third way to draw the circle is as follows. You need to enter the coordinates of all the 3 points. You can enter 400, 400, 500, 500 and 300, 500 and click on submit to get the following circle. Now we can see 3D geometry. On clicking on 3D geometry, you reach this page. Click on sphere to enter its radius here. Suppose you enter the radius as 10 and click on submit, you get this page which shows its volume and surface area. Clicking on back takes you to this page. To find the cone, you can give the height as suppose 40 and you can enter the radius as suppose 20. So that gives you the cone. It gives you the surface area and volume of the cone. Clicking on cylinder, you can enter the height of the cylinder as 20 and the radius of the cylinder as 5. You get the volume and surface area of the cylinder too. For the cube, you can click on the cube and enter the length of the side. Suppose you enter the length of the side as 20 and click on submit, you get the following details. It shows the body diagonal, area, face diagonal and volume of the cube. Finally, we look at the formula sheet. It gives the formulas for all the figures mentioned before. This shows the formulas for various properties of triangle, quadrilateral, circle, cube, cone and cylinder. So this was our project. I hope you all liked it. Thanks a lot.